Want to learn how to make money online with Instagram as a Christian entrepreneur? Well, sis, stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you the 7 main steps for how to make money online as a Christian entrepreneur using Instagram. Hey, it's your girl Steph Rodness, founder and CEO of God the Wood Girl, creator of the God the Wood Girl School of Business, and my purpose in life is to connect you with the resources you need to live your purpose in life. So if the Lord has purposed you to be a Christian entrepreneur and you're looking for resources to help you get it done, make sure you subscribe to the God the Wood Girl YouTube channel because that's what we do here, sis. And if you're ready to learn how to make money online with Instagram as a Christian entrepreneur, grab your pen and paper, let's dive in. Step number 1 is to identify your niche. If you are going to create a strong branded Instagram account, then your Instagram should focus on featuring one topic. If you notice, some of the biggest Instagram accounts are lifestyle accounts or beauty accounts or inspiration accounts or sermon accounts. Or fitness accounts. There's usually a theme that is central across the Instagram posts so that people can follow it because they're getting that same type of content that they're interested in. So the very first thing you got to do is figure out what God purposed you to do as a Christian entrepreneur. What does he want you to do in your business? What does he want you to be teaching? What does he want you to educate his kids about? If you don't know what your purpose is, make sure you grab my free Find Your Purpose toolkit by going to purposegift.com. Step number 2, now that you know what your niche is, create a freebie, aka a lead magnet, that attracts people who are interested in learning about that niche to join your email list. Now, an opt-in or a freebie is basically a digital item that you offer for free online in exchange for somebody's email address. This can be a checklist, this can be an ebook, this can be a 30-minute video training. It is totally up to you what that freebie is. And I teach you how to create amazing lead magnets in the God the Wood Girl School of Business. So if you need help doing that, check out the link in the description box below. Step number 3, now that you know what your niche is, now that you've got your freebie to build your email list, step number 3 is to choose your hashtags on Instagram that you're going to use for every single one of your posts. Now, Instagram is such an amazing social media platform, and one of the reasons why is because people use hashtags in order to find content that they're interested in. Think about it like keywords on YouTube. If I'm coming here to YouTube and I want to learn how to start a Christian t-shirt business online, I go into the search bar and I type in how to start a Christian t-shirt business online. On Instagram, I wouldn't go to the search bar and say how to start a Christian t-shirt business online. I would probably do hashtag Christian business tutorial or something like that in order to find posts that are about the theme I'm looking for. So people go on Instagram searching hashtags to find content about themes that they're interested in. For me, one of my favorite hashtags is Bible verses or prayers or daily devotionals, and you'll see me use a lot of those hashtags on my own Instagram feed. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, I come on live every Monday through Thursday morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to read the Bible together, so make sure you hit that follow button. But hashtags are the way that people are searching for content online. And Instagram allows you to use 30 hashtags per post. So go ahead and do your research in the Explorer bar to find 30 hashtags people could be using to find content in your niche. Step number 4, now that you have your hashtags, go ahead and create your Instagram content using those hashtags that points people to get your lead magnet. You see how this works? This is what I call lush social media. Likeable, understandable, shareable, hyper-excitable. And it's what I teach in the God the Wood Girl School of Business. The whole point is to use a content marketing strategy to have people find your content online, give them amazing value in your niche, and then have them take the next step with you, which is to get your lead magnet and join your email list. You see where we're going here? It's all about the email list. If you don't know about email marketing, check out my video that I did, The Best Ways to Make Money Online in 2020. It'll give you some amazing understanding of those strategies because it's what I do here at God the Wood Girl. So go ahead and create your content on Instagram. Each piece of content should use those hashtags that you found, and each piece of content should point people to get your lead magnet. The whole point is we want to get people off of Instagram and onto your email list as soon as possible. Step number 5, once you have people on your email list, and I like to recommend building your email list to about 1,000 subscribers before you take this step, I want you to pitch an offer to your email list based on what they told you they want. Now, this is something I call the purpose profit formula. And again, this is what I teach my students in the God the Wood Girl School of Business. The way the purpose profit formula works is 3 steps. Number 1, build your email list online. Number 2, ask your email list what they want. Number 3, give it to them through a sales funnel. That's what the purpose profit formula is. So you have been building up your email list online using Instagram posts with hashtags that are pointing people to your lead magnet. So now what we want to do is ask that email list, what do they want to buy from you? I'm not kidding. I never guess at what I sell my email list. I ask them what they're interested in buying. They tell me, that's what I make. And that's what I want you to do. Send your email list an email blast saying, hey, what's your number one question about your niche? This is why we choose the niche first. Once you understand what you are teaching people, now you will understand what they want to learn. So you're going to ask them, what's your number one question about niche? So if I were in fitness, what's your number one question about fitness? If I were in purpose, what's your number one question about living your purpose? If I were in business, what's your number one question about having a Christian business? So you want to be asking people what their number one question is. And then the question that the majority of your email list ask should be your next product. See how that works? Bonus tip, as you are building your email list, host free workshops for your email list that allows them to get to know you and gives them free value and allows them to build a relationship with you. There is this concept called 1,000 True Fans that an amazing guru, Kevin Kelly, came up with in I think like 2004 or something like that, a long time ago. And the concept is that anybody can make six figures online if they have 1,000 true fans who spends $100 with them per year. That's how you get to 100,000 online. So you want to be building up and nurturing your relationship with your email list. And one of the best ways to do this is to provide free value for them that actually helps them. Here at God Little Girl, I do this by providing free pop-up classes. I'm always asking my girls, what are you interested in learning? They're always asking me questions. And oftentimes when they ask me a question via email, it'll turn into a pop-up class. And I'm constantly doing these pop-up classes because I want to be a source of value for these girls, and they in turn are supporting God the Wood Girl. They're the reason why I get to do this full time. So I absolutely want to give back to them with valuable resources. So bonus tip, host pop-up classes for your email list, host workshops for your email list, give them amazing value so you guys can get to know each other. I'm telling you, it's something powerful when you know people on your email list by first name. There are literally girls on my email list who have been with me since 2015. We praying for each other, we're encouraging each other. I'm always sending them free stuff. They're always praying for me, encouraging me, and it's a mutually beneficial relationship with an email list. Who would have known? You can literally build a community with your email list. So that's it for the 5 steps on how to make money online using Instagram as a Christian entrepreneur. Please note that all of this needs to come from how God purposed you to serve as a Christian entrepreneur. There is a battleground that He gave you to serve in. So make sure you discover what that is before taking action on any of these steps. And if you want my free 5 P's of Purposepreneurship ebook that'll help you start learning how to take action on these steps as well, make sure you go to purposelegend.com/business in order to get that free ebook now. And sis, if you're not already subscribed to the God That Would Grow YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. My goal for this channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ as a Christian entrepreneur. So if that's you, hit that subscription button, and God willing, I'll see you at God That Would Grow. Hey, Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that God That Would Grow releases. My mission with the God That Would Grow YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the God That Grow School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.